This is X-Carve. X-Carve is a machine that lets you create three-dimensional designs out of materials like wood, plastic, metal, wax, and more. The process is easy. Start with a design. Using our 3D carving software called Easel, you can create one yourself, or select Download and download one from our expansive community project library. Once you're ready, the X-Carve will use inputs from the Easel software to bring your design to life. This process of computer-controlled carving allows you to create pieces with precision and efficiency. With Easel and X-Carve, the possibilities are endless. Our online project library is filled with everything from colorful signs to utensils and kitchenware to furniture and home decor. It's as easy as it is fun, and it's perfect for creative hobbyists, side hustlers, and small business owners. Whether you're looking for a new creative activity or would like to start a business, X-Carve is the ultimate machine to bring your ideas to life.